What's up, guys? It's Jason from Eustis Roofing, and we're doing a final inspection on a job we completed a couple weeks ago, and I wanted to show you guys this job. We went from tile to shingle, and we're totally successful in this job. Turned out beautiful. The HOA board was blown away. They even bought the guys lunch on the last day. That's the kind of relationships that we're looking for, long-term relationships. We want to please everybody. It's not always easy to do on a project this large. They were able to use the pool, the facilities, everything while we did the job. We were able to have a really good cleanup the entire time we were here. That's because we were able to use our equipters, state-of-the-art equipment that keeps the roofing project clean, but it also adds value and gives you better employees when you have the equipment to make their job a little bit easier, safer, and more efficient for the building owner. Everybody wants to be part of a winning team, and that's how this project was so successful, is because of the team involved. We always talk about detail. That's where the detail matters. So you want to have good vendors also. So you got good installers, good vendors. CertainTeed has been with us for the last 20 years, an awesome manufacturer. This is a pro shingle behind me, one of their premium shingles. Beautiful color, and it actually has that longevity. Just look at how beautiful it is. Came out really, really nice. We removed all the siding and we put it all back. And then here's the cool part. Here's the new flashing right here. It's black. We made it where it matches the shingle with a Kynar finish on it. And the best part about it is usually this would be silver in here. Now with the new roof, you can't even see the flashing because it's so nice. Roofing contractors will reuse the flashing on these vents. It's a galvanized vent. It's only got about an inch, 2-inch piece of flashing that goes under the shingles, and it's not enough flashing length to be successful every time. So what did my guys do? They changed it out with a full piece. I'm gonna show you what that looks like. So when we look at the vent here, this metal starts here, goes across and all the way up underneath this flange here. So the only way the water could get in has to go up, over, and back inside. Typically, if a roofer runs into this issue, they'll put a new piece of L flashing across here, run a bunch of caulking in there, and the caulking is what keeps the water out. So my guys came in and made a solid piece all the way up. This is the way I like it. There's a fin on the back to get the water away from the problematic area again. So they built it so the water splits and comes out the vent, and that way we don't have any standing water sitting behind this vent just waiting to have a problem. Right here is your flashing. That's that Kynar 24 gauge black finish flashing underneath. Change it out. Took the hardy board off to put it in there, and then we put a peel stick on top of that. So we came in here with our sheet metal department and we made some block off metal in here to block this off, to keep all the insect rodents out. Super nice. It goes with the job from the ground. When you look up, you can see it just blends right in and it solves the problem. Not only did we remove the tile from this project that should have lasted a lot longer, but we also did a 3-part fascia board on this. We removed it all because it was the wrong fascia board. It had rotted. So we did all the fasciing all the way around the entire building. And then we came back and added some 7-inch seamless gutters, a commercial grade gutter, to make it handle the water a lot better. Super pumped to have this finished successfully with everybody happy, but super appreciative of the team at Eustis Roofing. That's one of the things we worked on for years and years and years, is how to build the best team, the best culture, the best atmosphere, because we want to attract the best talent in the area. This is a testament to that. That's why we were voted #1 roofing company, best of the best, roofing company of the year. This has been as successful because of our team members. So thanks to everybody at Eustis Roofing that make this happen.